In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete browsing history on Android. First, begin by opening the Chrome application on your Android device. You can easily find the Chrome icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you tap to open it, you will see your most visited sites and recent tabs. This step is essential because you need to access the correct browser to manage your history. Opening Chrome is the gateway to the browsing data you want to clear. Next, tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner of the screen. This icon is often referred to as the menu icon. Tapping it will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to your browsing experience. This step is crucial as it allows you to navigate to the settings where you can manage your history. Once you tap the dots, you will see the options you need to continue. From there, select History from the menu. Alternatively, you can navigate to Settings, then to Privacy and Security, and finally to Clear Browsing Data. Selecting History takes you directly to the Browsing Data section. This is important because it gives you access to the specific data you wish to clear. Once selected, you will see a list of your recent browsing activities. Now tap Clear Browsing Data at the top of the screen. This option will take you to a new page where you can choose what data you want to remove. By tapping this, you are one step closer to decluttering your browsing history. It's a simple action that sets the stage for the next important choices you need to make. After that, choose a time range for the data you want to clear. You can select options like last hour, last 7 days, or all time. Choosing a time range is essential because it allows you to customize what you delete. If you want to remove everything, select all time. This flexibility ensures you can keep some of your history if needed while removing unwanted traces. With that ready, check the box next to Browsing History. This option specifically targets the browsing history you wish to delete. It's a straightforward step, but it's vital to confirm that you are only clearing what you intend to. By checking this box, you ensure that only your browsing history will be affected, and your other data remains intact. Finally, tap Clear Data in the bottom right corner of the screen. This action confirms your selection and initiates the deletion process. Once you tap this button, you will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your browsing history has been successfully cleared. This final step is crucial because it finalizes the task you set out to accomplish. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and delete your browsing history on Android. Keeping your browsing history clear can enhance your privacy and prevent others from seeing your online activities. Plus, it can help your browser run a bit smoother by removing unnecessary data. Remember, it's always a good practice to clear your history regularly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain your browsing privacy.